You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this salad, and more confusing food names that many mispronounce get wrong. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Frisee. Frisee, this is a word from French, hence the spelling it normally has an accent on the first E. Frisee, in French for reference it's said as frisee, so very similar. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.